honk, lads, honk honk.
Let's look at that again. You might be wondering how these Canberra locals could possibly get so close to the deadly unvaccinated crowd. Take a closer look. These lads have gone and gotten themselves an extra 50 HP mask protection, and they can extend that to 100 HP when they upgrade to the N95 mask. They're double vaxxed with booster jab number 3, which grants temporary invincibility. And most importantly, they've got the right attitude. You've got to show that you're not afraid. And they're well prepared to give a visual display of defiance against all these Nazi fascists in the crowd.